We're back with another episode of Project N. Today we're looking at our DV37 dump valve for the Hyundai i20N. We're just going to show you how we fit that, a bit of a behind the scenes on our instructional video and how it sounds. So we'll jump into that straight away. Right now you can see I'm filming the fitment of the i20N FM DV37 valve, giving a step-by-step guide on how to fit the valve. Check that video out via the link at the top of your screen if you want to know how to fit that yourself. There we go, that's giving you a little bit of behind the scenes on how we do our instructional videos here at Forge. Another episode of Project N done. We'll now jump in the car, show you what the valve sounds like. So we'll leave that there and enjoy what it sounds like. We're outside now. It's been a couple of days because the weather was crap, so there's no point bringing you out here. But we've got nice weather now. We've got the i20N behind me. We'll show you what the valve sounds like, maybe even take it for a spin so you can hear it in driving footage. There we go, we've shown you a few sound demos of our i20N valve. That's another episode of Project N done. Thanks to Emma for driving in this one, and we'll see you in the next one. Let us know what you want us to do in the next video.